Artificial intelligence, or AI algorithm, quickly screens for COVID-19. Researchers from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, or MIT, United States, have developed an AI-based algorithm that can identify a COVID-19 infected person by their cough. From a 70,000 forced cough sample recording pool, 4,000 were randomly selected, including 2,500 from coronavirus-positive individuals, to train an AI model. In testing, the model accurately identified 98.5% of coughs from symptomatic persons with a COVID-19 diagnosis and 100% of asymptomatics who had tested coronavirus positive. Although the human ear cannot discern the differences in coughs produced by asymptomatics, the new AI technology detects changes caused by the virus in biomarkers relating to vocal cord strength, muscular degradation, and other areas. The MIT team is now working to develop a free pre-screening app. Bravo, MIT scientists! Your research offers a promising technology to manage the pandemic better, and may it help restore blessed normalcy to our lives in heaven's grace.